This is a Moco 360-degree camera kit installed in Creta. OEM system we have integrated this. There is no cutting of wires or skinning of wires. There is a interface which is suitable for this vehicle. You can see front view, vehicle is moving. Left side you can see third view of the camera. This is off when you are moving and taking the left. You can see if you are switching on the indicator for the left side, it will show you the left side of the car, and if you put it to the right indicator, it will show you the right, as well as the bird eye view. You can see the clarity of the cameras. This Moco 360-degree camera comes with Sony Exmor sensor cameras.